Hello, how are you? If you're just joining my channel for the first time, my name is Linda and I'm here to bring to you health lessons. Okay, so my health lessons, I conduct them in English language and then at the end I'll summarize in Igbo language. Igbo is a tribe in Nigeria. Nigeria is in West Africa. If you've been joining my channel, I haven't been around. I traveled and I'm back now. I thank God for journey mercies. So, for today, God led me to do something, and that's what I wanted to do. I just want us to talk about Genesis. I'm gonna read Genesis chapter 1, okay, and then we talk a little bit about health. So I'm going to start. This is the creation. It says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness covered the surface of the watery depths, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the waters. Then God said, 'Let there be light.' And there was light. God saw that the light was good, and God separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and he called the darkness night. Evening came and then morning, the first day. And then God said, 'Let there be an expanse between the waters, separating water from water.' So God made the expanse and separated the water under the expanse from the water above the expanse. And it was so. God called the expanse sky. Evening came and then morning, the second day. Then God said, 'Let the water under the sky be gathered into one place, and let the dry land appear.' And it was so. God called the dry land earth, and he called the gathering of the water seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, 'Let the earth produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and fruit trees on the earth, bearing fruit with seed in it, according to their kinds.' And it was so. The earth brought forth vegetation, seed-bearing plants according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seed in it according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. Evening came and then morning, the third day. Then God said, 'Let there be lights in the expanse of the sky to separate the day from the night. They will serve as signs for festivals and for days and years. There will be lights in the expanse of the sky to provide light on the earth.' And it was so. God made the two great lights, the greater light to have dominion over the day, and the lesser light to have dominion over the night, as well as the stars. God placed them in the expanse of the sky to provide light on the earth, to dominate the day and the night, and to separate light from darkness. And God saw that it was good. Evening came, and then morning, the fourth day. Then God said, 'Let the water swarm with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the expanse of the sky.' So God created the large sea creatures and every living creature that moves and swims in the water according to their kinds. He also created every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. So God blessed them. 'Be fruitful, multiply, and fill the waters of the sea, and let the birds multiply on the earth.' Evening came and then morning, the fifth day. Then God said, 'Let the earth produce living creatures according to their kinds, livestock, creatures that crawl, and the wildlife of the earth according to their kinds.' And it was so. So God made the wildlife of the earth according to their kinds, the livestock according to their kinds, and creatures that crawl on the ground according to their kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, 'Let us make man in our own image, according to our likeness. They will rule the fish of the sea, the birds of the sky, the animals of the earth, and the creatures that crawl on the earth.' So God created man in his own image. He created him in the image of God. He created them male and female. God blessed them, and God said to them, 'Be fruitful, multiply, fill the earth, and subdue it. Rule the fish of the sea, the birds of the sky, and every creature that crawls on the earth.' God also said, 'Look, I have given you every seed-bearing plant on the surface of the entire earth, and every tree whose fruit contains seed. This food will be for you. For all the wildlife of the earth, for every bird of the sky, and for every creature that crawls on the earth, everything having the breath of life in it, I have given every green plant for food. And it was so. God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. Evening came, and then morning, the sixth day. He made all of them, and he saw that it was good. It says, and it was good. Everyone that he finished creating, he said, it was good. It was very good. He didn't make any mistakes. He made them right for us. All right, that's Genesis chapter 1. Okay, I just wanted to read that. That's been in my mind just today. So I'm like, okay, let me just do that. All right, so I just want you to think about this chapter 1. You can read it again if you need to. Okay, and I was also thinking about how he made the night and made the day. Since we talk about health, this is a health lesson, channel. Think about it. Okay, so as for some people, they work night shift. Some people work day shift. If you work day shift, you have the night to rest. Okay, that's how God created it. It's dark, and then our body tells us we need to rest now, we need to sleep. So now if you work night shift, somebody has to do it, right? But if you work night shift, please make sure that you rest during the day. You cannot just be going about your business, taking care of all your problems, and then you don't sleep enough. Okay, adults, you're supposed to sleep at least 7 to 9 hours. But you know your body, so you know what works for you, even if it's 6 hours or 7 hours, but you need to rest. You cannot sleep for 1 or 2 hours and then go into work again. You need to rest. God didn't make mistakes. He knew what he was doing. He knows why he said he will make this night and make this day. So let's be mindful of that. If you don't take good care of yourself, getting some rest, whether you work day shift or night shift, you're going to pay for it. All right? You will get sick. So let's do what we can do, at least as humans, and leave the rest for God to take care of. So please, 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 if you work at night, take care of yourself. Try to get enough rest so you don't get sick. Okay, because when you don't sleep well, you don't rest, your immune system is going to go down, and it will be easy for your body to get sick. And also listen to your body. You will know when you're exhausted. Sometimes you may not even need sleep. You just need peace and quietness for 30 minutes. Okay? Your body will tell you. Don't ignore the signs. All right? So that's all I have to talk about today. All right? So I'll see you next week. And next week I'll find a song for you. All right? I like to sing after the health lessons. But I want you to just go and think about this Genesis chapter 1. And if you have the Bible and have the chance, please, or just make the chance to read it again. All right? What do we say in Igbo when we want to say goodbye? Ka emesia. All right, ka emesia. See you next week.